Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to restore iCloud photos to your iPhone. First, go to Settings. Search for iCloud. Here's iCloud Sync. You can also scroll down. Here are Photos and iCloud Photos. As you can see, I have this setting enabled. I recommend you turn it on too so it can load iCloud photos. If it doesn't load, go to the iCloud website. Log into your account. Go to Photos and select the ones you want. Click the three dots and hit Download. Then download them. That's it. This was the name. Don't forget to like.